Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be doing top 10 squishies I recommend. So yeah, let's get started. So number one are the soft and slow squishies. They're really squishy and I love them so much, and you can find them at stores. So yeah, but sometimes they are expensive, but they're mostly on sale for me. So yeah, I recommend those. So number two, I recommend this cake I got from Banggood Panda. It's super soft. You can get multiple colors. So yeah, this is it's super slow rising also, and it was really cheap. So yeah, number three, I recommend these Michael squishies. I only have the first series, but there's way more series. I got the unicorn, the rainbow, and then I did have the narwhal, but my dogs chewed it up. But oh well. Yeah. The fourth squishy I recommend are these eye bloom angel bunnies. And I have all three of them. There's purple, pink, and white. And they have little wings on the back of them. So yeah, super duper squishy and slow rising. I love that. The fifth squishy, is the eye bloom. Won't focus, but the eye bloom tea bear, something like that. They're super soft and slow rising, and if you love wrinkly squishies, this is the one for you. I mean, I don't really care what they look like. Well, I do care what they look like. I just don't really care when you squish it how it looks like, as long as it's soft. So number six are these I don't know, this cat, the soft and slow blind boxes. They're only $3, and they are so amazing. I have, I think, 7 of these. So yeah. Number 7 is this next Eric cake. Oh, my licensing is right there. Right there. They are super slow rising. And yeah. The next squishy I recommend is the Vlampo. Yeah. Vlampo rabbit burger. So yeah. The next squishy is the Vlampo. Oh, and by the way, the Vlampo squishies smell really good. I'm sorry, I'm not really used to this yet. But then I have, it's like a cake, like a full cake, and it's super slow rising. This one smells really good too. But these are super duper slow rising. So yeah, the 10th squishy I recommend is this cake thingy. It's like a cupcake, and it's super soft. I got this at Banggood. I think it's like a next Eric thing. I don't know. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, comment down below your suggestions, and bye guys.